Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ and welcome to another video. As you can see here, we have got the Freebitbot running, and obviously that is what is going to be the main part of this video. Now, it's been great to hear from all of you that have decided to purchase this piece of software, which obviously does help you collect lottery tickets, reward points, and increase your balance on the Freebitco website. Now, like I say, it's been really great to hear from all of you with your PMs and DMs telling me how well you've been getting on with the software and how well it has been performing, which is absolutely brilliant. But as always, there's always going to be a few people that end up with some teething problems, and basically that is what I'm going to be addressing mainly today. But even for those of you that your bot is working fine, this will actually help your bot work that little bit better. So in this video, what I'm going to do is go through a step-by-step process right from the point of you buying the bot, downloading it, getting it onto your computer, going through the update and the various other things that you need to be making sure are done, so you should have no problems with the bot. Okay, so obviously you've watched the video, you've thought, wow, what an amazing piece of software. You've clicked on my link and you've gone to this website. Now obviously you can go straight to this website and download the bot, but if you use my link and the special promo code that I've got for you guys, you will get 25% off your bot, even any of the bots on here. So if you come on here, have a look around, if you find something else that you like as well, you can use that promo code for that as well. Okay, so like I say, you've opened up your account and you've checked out the Freebitbot on this website, and then you've logged in, and you will see this where it says my downloads. So if we go into my downloads, so as you can see here, this is the Freebitbot, and this is when I actually first downloaded it. So April the 7th, 2018. So that is, you know, you're getting close to 3 years now, and it is still working absolutely fine and flawlessly and completing all the tasks that it should be. So basically what you do, just click on here, and that will bring you to your download page. So click download and it will start downloading the zip file. So it's, what is it, 221 megabytes. So it might take a little while, and what we'll do is we'll pause the video and then we'll come back once it's done that. Okay, so as you can see here, the Freebitbot zip has fully downloaded now. So if we close that and then we log out of our account, and then we're going to head back over to the computer, or well, I guess we're still. Okay, so close that. Go in here. And then you should find it downloaded in the downloads folder. Now, what I like to do, because I tend to find that this does work a lot better, many of you out there probably have just unzipped it in the download folder and had no problem, but I tend to find moving it from here to the C drive and then extracting it in the C drive tends to just eliminate some of the possibilities of having problems. So you can obviously just drag and drop it, or you can go move to folder. So if you go and move to folder, click C, go move. There you go, that's gone. Go to the C drive. Here you go, you'll see it in there. Now if we just click into it, you'll see these are the files that you should have in the zip drive, and you'll notice that there is no update file at the moment. So obviously what you do is you extract it from your zip folder, from the zip file. Easy, just right click and then go extract files, and then what that'll do is that'll open this up and it'll actually create a Freebitbot folder in your C drive with all of those files in there. Okay, and for those of you that are just obviously watching this for the first time, you're not really familiar with what the Bitbot is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video that is going to give you more information about the Bitbot itself, what it does, and you'll also be able to see what it can do, and it running for multiple hours, clocking up those profits. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So once you've extracted the folder from here, it will appear in your C drive just like this. As you can see, I have two. I was tinkering around with the idea of actually running two bots simultaneously, but I have decided against that. So I will be probably running two, but on two separate machines, giving them two different IP addresses, because that is a bit of a stumbling block when it comes to having multiple accounts. Okay, so like I say, you've extracted it, you've got your Freebitbot account, you'd go in and then you'd click the Freebitbot. What'll happen is then a user interface will appear, you'll put in your email address and you will put in your license code which has been emailed to you. Once you've entered those details, you'll click go or something like that, or submit, and then it will actually start automatically updating itself. Now, for a long time I actually thought that that update was automatically put in, so it it updated itself and then that was it, you didn't need to do anything else. But somewhere after I realized that was not the case. So when it does the update, all it does is it gives you a zip file. It gives you an update zip file. Now, like I say, for most of you, you'll probably go in, even those of you that your bot is working, you'll probably go into your file and see this update, and it's never actually been updated. But obviously your system has overcome that. Probably it's just got various different DLLs or whatever actually in the system, so it compensates for not having the update. But to do the update, dead simple, what you do is you click again, but instead of clicking extract files, you click extract here. And then what that will do is, rather than creating a folder, it will just dump those files straight into your Freebitbot folder that we're looking at. And then it will ask you if you want to overwrite your old one. So we'll give it, I'll show you what it does. So it'll come up and then you'll just click here, yes to all. Okay, that's all you got to do, is you just click yes to all. It will overwrite anything that is old, and it will replace it with the new files. Once you have done that, then what you want to do, and this is just a bit of a safety measure, and I will put a link in the description to this, you want to go and get the latest working browsers for this Bitbot. So what you need to do is check out the description, and I'll just put a link in there saying working browsers, and it will give you a folder similar to this. So here where it says working browser versions, click on that, and then you've got the 5 aux Portable and Chrome Portable. And then once you've downloaded those, I personally only ever move the Chrome. I never use the Firefox option, so I will just get that, copy it, go into C drive, go into the Freebitbot folder, and then go into config, and then delete this folder first, delete that first, then basically paste the new version in there, and then you should be all ready to go, and you should be able to just click straight onto your Freebitbot and it run absolutely perfectly. So just follow that step-by-step process that I've just talked you through, and you should have no further problems after that. I know a lot of you were suffering with every time it tried to log in, it gave you an error, then it would say that it needed to wait 2 minutes, or it was going to retry in 2 minutes, and it just kept doing that over and over again. The steps I have shown you and talked to you through should solve all of those problems, and it actually should solve all of your problems with any of the bots that you buy from the website that you got it from, that we just visited, because they have numerous different bots on there, but a lot of them got updated, and for some reason some of the bots did not get the latest versions of working browsers put into the folder, and that's why now sort of I'm giving that out as a separate link, so you can make sure that you have got it and you are completely up to date with everything. But do remember, you've got to apply that update as well. Okay, so that is basically the process, and then we're just going to quickly have a look at the Bitbot working, and you should be all good. And that's it, and that it's dead simple. Once you go through this step-by-step process, make sure that the bot is completely up to date, then you should have no more problems. So I'm going to leave it there, and if you are interested in that earlier video, it's probably on your screen right now, so get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.